Ayun guys, I just want to say thank you Insta360 for sending this Insta360 One X2. Sobrang thankful kasi as you know guys, yung previous One X2 ko na ginagamit when I'm doing some vlogs, travel vlogs, scooter or riding vlogs na ginagawa ko. Unfortunately, after 8 months or less than a year, nasira siya. Yung kagandahan naman is kinontak ko yung support ng Insta360 and they sent me a new one. Instead of preparing the item, they decided na padalan ako ng bago. So ayan guys, same box pero yung laman niya is bago. So eto siya, meron siyang thank you. Eto yung binigay nila. Basically, binuksan ko na to, tinanggal ko na yung mga sticker na nakalagay dyan. But this one is brand new. At least confident tayo na hindi na natin ma-experience yon. Since nasira siya, confident tayo na gamitin na hindi ma-experience natin yung problem before.